got a fresh battery in it, and I figured what I would do was do a couple of speed runs, because what you can see is I got a GPS on it right now, and right on the GPS we're going to reset the max speed, which 2 miles an hour. That's not really the case. Reset that. You can see that set at 0. We're going to set it down, and we're going to do a couple of speed tests on it to see what we can get. So what I have noticed is when it's looking to bind or connect to the vehicle, it gives a tone, and you can see it flashes between red and green. Then when we turn the car on, right there you got a solid green, solid red, and then we're ready to rip. Take off, see what this thing can do. So right now we are in supposedly fast mode, so let's go. So it seems like right there, 17 miles an hour is the max that we're getting for a max speed, and it is actually set on high rate. You can't see it, but beyond that sticker it is set on high rate. Not too bad for this little guy right here. The Desert Eagle is ready to go. I'm actually going to do my first giveaway on the channel, and that giveaway is going to be right here. The 1/12 scale 4-wheel drive brushless Desert Eagle with a 1500 milliamp battery. We storage charged the battery, so everything is going to be all set. We're going to box it up back in its original packaging. So what you're going to get in the box is you're going to get the 1/12 scale Desert Eagle 4-wheel drive vehicle, brushless, a 1500 milliamp 2S 7.4 volt battery, a controller, no batteries. You're going to have to provide your own batteries. It's only 4 AA's. It's going to come with a manual, gives you a parts explosion diagram and explanations of the actual vehicle itself, a wrench set, which is going to be a wrench, couple of body pins, couple of extra pinion gears, couple Allen wrenches, a 1.5 and a 2, one extra set screw for those pinion gears, a charger, which is US wall adapted charger that charges through the balance plug. So if you're interested in winning this giveaway, there are a couple of rules. Number one, you got to either subscribe or be a subscriber. You have to like this video, and then you also have to make a comment saying why you think you should be the one to go ahead and get this car. This is the original box that you're actually going to receive it in, so you can see it right there. 2.4 gigahertz, 4-wheel drive, RTW or RTR, ready to run, full scale, Desert Eagle. And because YouTube Messenger or YouTube no longer does personal messaging, we will have to contact either through Facebook or Instagram, and you'll see the links to that on that video and or live stream. And obviously make sure you hit that bell notification, because otherwise you may miss announcing the winner to this giveaway. There'll be further instructions obviously in the end or in the description of this video, so make sure you read those. If you want that car, those are the couple of things that you gotta do. That's it. So coming to you from What's Up Guy Garage, we're doing our first giveaway. Good luck. Thanks for watching this episode of What's Up Guy Garage. It's our first giveaway. Giveaway of an RC car. Good luck. Hey Vector, are you excited for the giveaway? What the heck is that? New Vector got so excited, he froze! Oh no! A little bit too much overexcitement, I guess, huh?